Means of transport. Learn English vocabulary. A car. A bus. A train. A subway. A tram. A plane. A helicopter. A boat. A ferry. A sailboat. A submarine. A bicycle. A scooter. A motorcycle. A moped. A taxi. An ambulance. A truck. A van. A tractor. A school bus. A camper van. A hearse. A police car. A tank. A bulldozer. An excavator. A forklift. A hot air balloon. An airship. A space shuttle. A barge. A surfboard. A jet ski. A canoe. A kayak. A sled. A snowmobile. A sleigh. A troika. A skateboard. A roller skate. A cart. A horse. A camel. A donkey. A rocket. An elephant. A dog sled. A flying carpet. Subscribe for more language videos.